Section 1. The foundation of PPC, keyword relevance. Keywords are the backbone of PPC. They bridge the gap between what users are searching for and what advertisers offer. Effective keyword research is crucial for driving qualified traffic to your landing pages. Getting your keyword targeting right ensures that your ads appear in front of the right audience. This translates to higher click-through rates, improved conversion rates, and ultimately, a greater return on your ad spend. Without proper keyword research, your PPC campaigns are like ships sailing without a compass. Imagine throwing a wide net into the ocean, hoping to catch a specific type of fish. You might catch a few, but you'll also haul in a lot of unwanted bycatch. Conversely, targeting highly relevant keywords is like using a fishing rod with the right bait. Effective keyword research involves understanding your target audience's language and search behavior. Remember, in the competitive world of PPC, relevance is key to standing out from the crowd and maximizing your return on investment. Section 2. Beyond the obvious, unveiling advanced keyword strategies. While basic keyword research focuses on obvious terms, mastering PPC requires digging deeper. Advanced strategies delve into the nuances of search behavior. They uncover hidden opportunities that many advertisers overlook. These strategies often involve analyzing competitor tactics and leveraging sophisticated tools. One such strategy is exploring long-tail keywords. Another advanced tactic is competitor keyword analysis. By understanding what's working for your competition, you can gain valuable insights and refine your own strategies. Tools powered by AI can analyze massive datasets to identify patterns and trends. By embracing these advanced techniques, you can gain a significant advantage over your competitors. Section 3. Mastering long-tail keywords, capturing specific search intent. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific keyword phrases that target niche audiences. Unlike broad keywords, long-tail keywords focus on capturing highly qualified traffic. This specificity is key to achieving higher conversion rates and a greater return on ad spend. For example, instead of targeting shoes, a long-tail keyword would be men's running shoes for flat feet. The beauty of long-tail keywords lies in their ability to align directly with user intent. When someone searches for a long-tail keyword, they are expressing a specific need and are more likely to be further along in the buying cycle. By incorporating long-tail keywords into your PPC campaigns, you can tap into a highly targeted audience that is actively searching for products or services like yours. Section 4. Spy versus spy, deconstructing competitor keywords. In the competitive landscape of PPC, keeping a close eye on your competitors is essential. Competitor keyword analysis involves identifying the keywords your rivals are bidding on and dissecting their strategies. This intelligence gathering provides invaluable insights that can give you an edge in the auction. Start by compiling a list of your top competitors. Use tools to see which keywords are driving traffic to their websites and analyze their ad copy and landing pages. Look for patterns in their messaging, calls to action, and overall campaign structure. This can reveal their strengths, weaknesses, and any gaps in their keyword targeting. By understanding your competitors' keyword strategies, you can refine your own approach and craft more compelling ad copy. This intelligence allows you to stay one step ahead in the auction, maximizing your visibility and driving more qualified traffic to your website. Section 5. The AI advantage, leveraging machine learning in keyword research. The advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning has revolutionized the way we approach keyword research. AI-powered tools can analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and uncover insights that would be impossible for humans to process manually. This technology is transforming keyword research from a time-consuming manual process into a data-driven science. AI tools can analyze search trends, user behavior, and even competitor data to identify new keyword opportunities. They can predict which keywords are likely to perform well based on historical data and current search patterns. This allows you to make more informed decisions about your keyword targeting and bid management. By embracing AI-powered keyword research tools, you can gain a significant advantage in the competitive PPC landscape. Section 6. The ever-evolving landscape, embracing continuous learning. The world of PPC is constantly evolving. Search engine algorithms change, new technologies emerge, and user behavior shifts. To stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge, continuous learning and adaptation are paramount. Make it a habit to regularly explore industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online forums. Engage with other PPC professionals, share your experiences, and learn from their insights. Embrace a mindset of experimentation. Don't be afraid to test new keyword strategies, ad formats, or bidding strategies. Track your results meticulously and use data to inform your decisions. By staying curious, embracing new knowledge, and constantly testing and iterating, you can navigate the ever-changing landscape of PPC and achieve sustainable success.